I just taught myself vector databases in 18 minutes. I'm not a developer, this is the research engine that did it. By the end of this video, you will have it, the exact prompts, the 5-step workflow, and the one rule that makes ChatGPT actually teach you, not just answer you. This is AI Hours. Let's go. Most people use ChatGPT for answers, the smart 1%. They use it for structure. That's the whole game. When you ask ChatGPT a question, you get a paragraph. When you ask ChatGPT to teach you, you get a system. And a system you can run any topic on for the rest of your life is worth 1,000 answers. I built this from my first video, prompt 5. From that breakdown is the foundation. We're extending this into a full research engine. 4 steps, 20 minutes of your time, and it's like a lifetime tool. Step 1. Don't ask ChatGPT what something is. Ask it what you don't know about something. That's the gap finder prompt. Just watch. This is the prompt. Now I'm gonna hit send. Look at this. It just told me 5 specific concepts I need to learn and 3 things I probably think I know about vector databases but actually have wrong. Imagine that. This is the secret. Most learn this prompt, skip this step and go straight to a generic explanation. The gap finder makes ChatGPT diagnose you first. If you skip this step, you spend 10 minutes learning things you already know. Next, we'll use this gap to build the structure. Okay, step 2, we take the gaps and turn them into a learning module. This is where the learn anything prompt from the previous video comes in, but it's now extended for what we just diagnosed. Just watch. Pasted it, now I'm going to send. Watch the output build. Five concepts, 5 definitions, 5 examples, 5 misconceptions in 90 seconds. This is 30 minutes of reading compressed into 90 seconds of structured output. The reason this works, ChatGPT has a task, not a question. Tasks produce structure, while questions produce paragraphs. That's the whole rule. Now we need to make sure it's not lying to us. Step 3. ChatGPT lies sometimes, confidently too, especially on technical topics, especially on anything that's been published after its training cutoff. So we'll run the verifier prompt now. I'll paste the prompt and okay, let's see. Let's go. Look, it's searching. Live, pulling resources. And here it flagged one of the 5 definitions as outdated. It searched, found the current understanding and rewrote it. I use this for every topic where the stakes are above 0. Tech, finance, medicine, stock, anything where being wrong actually costs you not just time but money too. Now we'll save it so we never have to do this work again for this topic. Okay, so the next step would be to like copy all of these and then paste it onto like a template or something where you can like go to where you need to like make some research and remember some things, like just so you don't have to like go through this process again. But usually I don't usually do that. Like why just this, like I just get all of this, like I just leave it here. Like the chat has memories and stuff, so if I need anything I can just like come to the search bar on the left, just search the chat, or basically just ask ChatGPT to like give me a summary or just refresh my memory on like this topic, and it just like send me all of this if I want, or you can just like give me the most important things that I need to remember from all of this interaction. So it's actually a very important step. It's up to you if you prefer to like leave it in like ChatGPT's server or whatever, or you just want to like come back and like have your own like personal library or something. You can just like copy all of this, just paste it into a Notion, like just have it there, so whenever you just find them like topic or category, just a system up to you, and any system that's like that you prefer. So when you come back you can just like check and refresh your memory. So it's literally that simple. And there you have it. That's the whole engine. 4 steps: find the gaps, build the structure, or verify against web, and like save it forever just so you can use it at any time you want. I ran this on vector databases. 18 minutes from no idea to a structured, fact-checked, saved for life page on something developers can go to bootcamp for. I'm not saying I can write a vector database from scratch now, don't get me wrong. I'm saying that I can now understand them well enough to like make decisions, evaluate tools, and have like real conversation with people around me to actually like have actually like given their time to like study this stuff. Understand? That's what learning actually is for. 90% of what we actually need to learn. I'm putting on 4 prompts in the description. Copy them, paste them, use them on whatever you're trying to learn this week. If one of these prompts helps save you a Saturday, I want you to subscribe. Next video, I'm chaining 3 of these into a workflow that runs automatically every Monday morning while I sleep. It picks the topic. It will pick the topic I need to learn next, build the structure, and drops it in my Notion. 0 clicks from me. I'll pin it to the channel by Friday. This is AI Hours. 4 prompts, 1 engine, lifetime tool. See you in the next one.